AEW Revolution 2025 takes place this Sunday, March 9th, from the Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles, California. Here are my predictions. In an upset, Brody King defeats Okada, freeing Okada up to start a feud with Kenny Omega. Swerve Strickland gets his win back by defeating Ricochet. But will this be the end of Swerve and Prince Nana? MJF will defeat Hangman. But this definitely won't be the end to this feud. The Hurt Syndicate should have an easy time with the Outrunners, but in a fun match. Mercedes Moné to retain her TBS title against Momo Watanabe, in what I predict to be one of Mercedes' best matches so far. The steel cage will come out for Will Ospreay versus Kyle Fletcher. This match should steal the show with Ospreay taking the victory. Can Konosuke Takeshita pin Kenny Omega for the third time? I don't think so, as Kenny Omega will get the victory in the International Championship. The trilogy and Hollywood ending for Toni Storm and Mariah May will climax with Timeless, Toni Storm retaining her championship. Finally, in the main event, Cope will end the reign of Jon Moxley by taking the AEW World Championship from him. But in a shock ending, Christian Cage will cash in his contract and pin Adam Copeland and leave Los Angeles as your new AEW World Champion.